What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? Good evening, good evening. So, we have yet another big announcement coming out of Jasmy. That's right. We have a new market maker for Jasmy, you guys. And we're going to get into it. We're going to give you every little bit of it. So, hold tight. Right now, guys, Jasmy down 1.5% on the day, up 8.7 on the week, down 38.7 on the month, and 27.9 on the year. Even in rank at 89, a $660 million market cap, and 52 million in volume. Let's go have a look over at the Bitcoin chart here before we get into it, guys. All right, so Bitcoin 82,800. We came down and almost tested our yellow trend line here. Now you might ask, well, Rob, what's the relevancy of that yellow trend line? And I answer, well, listen, we have two of them, as you'll notice, right? Now this one up here is at $91,000. If Bitcoin gets up here and starts closing daily candles above $91,000, that would invalidate a move down between $74,000 and $69,000, right? However, if we start closing daily candles below this yellow line at $82,000, it makes a trip down between $69,000 and $74,000 that much more possible. So, either way, guys, I am stoked. I am jacked, stacked, and fanny packed. I am ready to go either way. I got dry powder waiting for the downside. I got my bags packed waiting for the upside. Hopefully, if you're following along on the channel, you are ready for liftoff, or you're ready to gobble up some more of those nice, juicy little dips. All right, so obviously, if Bitcoin pulls to the downside, we're going to have some more bleeding on the altcoins. And that's just fine with me. And if Bitcoin moves to the upside, then we're going to see the altcoins start to run. Things are getting kind of tight here, guys. We got to bring this down a little more. Things are getting kind of tight on Jasmy's falling wedge pattern. Something's got to give sometime soon here. Sometime soon, right? And listen, Powell's speaking on Wednesday, and if he even sniffs at anything bullish, we could see a move to the upside in the markets. We could see us head back up over $91,000 for Bitcoin. If Powell even comes close to implying that they're thinking about stepping away from QT. So that is what we will be listening for on Wednesday. Now, listen, we know there's not going to be a rate cut on Wednesday. We know that, right? That's probably not going to happen until June. We'll probably see a 25 basis point rate cut in June. I don't see one happening before that, which is fine. As long as if Powell says, again, we're stepping away from QT, that in itself will be enough to signal to the markets. Let's start moving towards risk on, baby. Crypto, let's freaking go. We got the DXY that is not looking so juicy these days. Uno momento, por favor. Let's bring up the Dixie here just to show you. So the Dixie on the daily, guys, continuing its breakdown. We found a little bit of a level of support here, however, as you can see right about here. Right, we're holding a bit of support at 103. We want to get this down inside this little pocket here would be nice. But listen, this pocket here, I put this here because this is the range that the dollar was in the 2021 altcoin season, right? When things went parabolic for crypto, this is where the Dixie was, down in this range here between 93.4 and 97. So, do we need that same range to happen, however, for the market to go parabolic this time around? And the answer is no. We should be fine right around this range here, right? Just below 100. We should be fine. So that's what we'll pay attention to on the dollar, but we have support here. We still need the, I know it doesn't look like much, but we still need the dollar to fall. Like just to the top of this is 3.34%, which doesn't sound like much, but for the Dixie, it's a lot more than you would think, right? So either way, guys, listen, let's get into the new market maker for Jasmy, and then we got more. We got more. So Hara tweets out just a few moments ago, we, Jasmy, are pleased to be working with the new market makers, Saseda Market Making. We have had very in-depth discussions with management and see a lot of potential for the European market in terms of tokens, exchanges, and corporations with ecosystem operators. And here you can see the announcement from them. Thrilled to announce our partnership as the official market maker for Jasmy. Jasmy platform guarantees its customers confidentiality and gives them the right to manage their own personal data. Absolutely fantastic, guys. Absolutely fantastic. This is very, very bullish news. Now, I understand that not everybody understands what a market maker is, right? What does this mean, Rob? I will tell you what it means. A market maker in crypto is an entity that provides liquidity by placing buy and sell orders on an exchange, ensuring smooth trading and earning profits from the price spread or fees. They can be very influential in price action, you guys, okay? When we had good price action before, who was our market maker before? Our market maker was DWF Labs. That's what it was. Yes, DWF Labs. They were the market maker, our last market maker, and that contract had expired, I want to say, was it last July or the July before that? I think it was July before that. July 2023 was when the contract ended with DWF Labs. That's what I'm going to say. So this is very, very big news, guys, right? This is going to help price action with Jasmy. All right, and let's get to the main course here, shall we, guys? What else do we have? Jasmy's volume displays breakout. Will Jasmy's price finally surge into a bullish upward momentum? The price of Jasmy continues its staggering movement between 80,000 and 84,000 as the pioneer crypto asset struggles in the lower 80,000 price range. Altcoins continue to show bullish signals. To highlight, Jasmy's volume displays breakout, and analysts expect Jasmy's price to possibly pump into a bullish upward momentum. As per Javin Marks here, as we can see from the post above, the analyst shares how Jasmy's volume displays breakout. Following this bullish indicator, the analyst believes that the altcoin's prices are looking to be nearing a breakout run as well. He expects this to lead into a huge bull movement that'll propel the price of Jasmy. How much will Jasmy's price pump this alt season? Known as the Bitcoin of Japan, Jasmy has shown an impressive run since it entered into the market. Despite the many dips it took, most analysts remain incredibly bullish over the altcoin. The analyst in the post above sees the volume breakout as a preview of a price breakout for Jasmy. And we're talking about Javin Marks. Furthermore, Jasmy announced a partnership with Apple as Jasmy's technology will be integrated into the Apple devices via Japan's My Number card this year. Perhaps this event will act as a trigger to pump Jasmy's price. Another trigger could be simply the alt season's peak phase arrival, which seems to have been delayed this bull cycle, giving traders the chance to accumulate capable altcoins. There you go, guys. There you go. Breakout coming for Jasmy. We have a lot of catalysts coming, guys, in my opinion, in rather short order for this project. Do not sleep on Jasmy, guys. We got the end of the year for Japan coming up at the end of this month. We have a brand new market maker. We have the mainnet for Junction coming out. We got the PDL coming out. We got the Jasmy wallet coming out. We got nodes coming out. We got the fries that'll cross your eyes, guys. We got a channel sponsor by the name of Decent Wallet. Get yourself one. Use the link down below. Get a phenomenal deal. Also, guys, Patreon been absolutely exploding. It's unbelievable how big this community. We are now one of the largest crypto communities out there, guys. Come and join our family for the price of a Happy Meal. We're live over there every evening. We're dropping gem videos every day. I've dropped the last 2 videos I dropped today and yesterday. I am extremely excited about them, guys. Get over there, check them out for yourself. And on top of that, you get to book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. So get your spot booked because they fill up fast, you guys. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.